that Rashida Ivory Brown has completed a full 12 hours of training on the application of the Weave Buddy Braid and Sew system, presented on October 5th, 2023.
Woo!
Yeah, baby
Yes, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
girl.
I did it! Long time coming, but I did it. I'm so excited. This has been an awesome experience. I'll tell anybody who is in the hair, I don't care how long you've been doing hair, that this class is a must-take to save your clients' edges and also to help your clients keep their hair on their edges if they already have hair issues. Alopecia, stress alopecia, generational alopecia. I will tell you guys to take this class and you can just add what you already know to your portfolio. But this has been an awesome experience. I wouldn't change anything. Thank you so very much for this time. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you.
How was your experience being at the beach?
This, if I tell you, I feel renewed. I feel refreshed. I needed this time, just with life and having a kid and being married. Just this time to focus on me, to fix me, to do some things that I needed to do. The ocean. When they tell you healing is in the ocean, healing is in the ocean. And coming here and just taking this class and being able to renew my spirit and renew my strength has just, I can't even explain it. And I came here by myself. I didn't have a partner or my maid didn't come with me. Nobody came with me. I came here by myself and I needed this time. I was trying to get people to come with me, like my family members, but nobody could come. But God knew what he was doing when he gave me this time to work on me, for me to renew my spirit, my strength, so I can do this class, have an open mind, and clear all the clutter out so I can focus on doing what I came to this class to do. So this has been an awesome experience. Thank you so very much. I appreciate it.
And you know what? You did do your thing, girl.
I did.
It's like whenever we finished with a day of class, next day I would come back and sure enough she would have a doll head really done well. And so she has really been able to take her training the night before and be here at the beach and relax and enjoy, but at the same time focus on what she had to do. And she did a great job. And she did pick it up really well.
Thank you. Flawless hairline. Flawless. Look at that. Flawless.
No glue, no tape.
No glue, no tape. Just flawless. Weave Buddy. Y'all better get y'all one. Get y'all one of these.